Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a Facebook group to the top of your listings. So this is particularly useful for individuals who have a lot of Facebook groups, but want to go ahead and actually pin one of their Facebook groups so that they don't have to keep scrolling to find that Facebook group. Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, so make sure to follow up until the end. There's not a lot of steps. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is hop onto our Facebook app, which is right over here, and do make sure that it's up to date with the latest version. So by making sure it's up to date with the latest version, you'll make sure that the steps that you're following are up to date. Now, next what you want to do is click on groups. And as you can see, I've already pinned a variety of different groups. Now, if you go ahead and scroll down, we'll go ahead and actually pin this DoorDash drivers group. All you've got to do is click on hold it and then click on pin group. Now with that group pinned, it's going to show more towards the top of the search results as far as being able to find it anytime I access this group menu. So as you can see, the newly grouped Facebook group is now pinned to the top so that I can easily access it without actually having to search it or scroll through all these different Facebook groups that I'm a part of. So this right here is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pin a Facebook group to the top of your list. If you know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.